We'll be continuing with this topic of ionic equilibrium. Today we are going to discuss a very important point which is called auto ionization of water. Okay, now water, look into the reaction. Pure water does not ionize. The ionization of pure water is to a very less level. Okay, water ionizes to form hydronium ion. H3O plus means hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion, XYL. So pure water does not undergo a high level of ionization. Most of the water molecules remain undissociated, most of them. Anyways, the dissociated molecules are, or the dissociated forms are the hydronium ion and the hydroxyl ion. Then the equilibrium constant, or we'll put here like this, the equilibrium constant is written as product of concentration of, or concentration of products, ratio of concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. Okay, concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. Since most of the water remains undissociated or unionized, therefore concentration of water, which is here square, can be regarded as constant and we can call it as K dash. Therefore, what do we get here? K is equal to concentration of hydronium, concentration of hydroxyl divided by K dash, or therefore concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to K into K dash, cross multiply, or therefore concentration of H3O plus and concentration of OH minus is equal to some constant Kw, which is equal to K into K dash. This constant Kw is called as the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. एक पॉइंट सांगते हैं, ionic product of water. For pure water, it is observed that concentration of H3O plus is equal to concentration of OH minus at equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium means when the rate of forward reaction and the reverse reaction are one and the same. Okay, so generally for pure water it is observed that concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ions are same, and that is equal to 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter or mole per dm cube. Okay, therefore what do we end? Important. Therefore concentration of H3O plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Why? Which is equal to Kw. Why? Minus 7 Kw. हे बघा, Kw is what? Kw is concentration of H3O plus and OH minus, hydronium and hydroxyl ion. Now at equilibrium for pure water, concentration of H3O plus and hydroxyl ion are same and equal to 10 raised to minus 14. When you take the product, it becomes 10 raised to minus 14, which is equal to Kw. Are you okay here? Therefore, what do you conclude here? Concentration of H3O plus concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 raised to minus 14. Kw is a constant called as the ionic product of water, which is equal to the product of concentration of hydronium ion or hydrogen ions and concentration of hydroxyl ions at equilibrium. So ionic product of water is product of concentration of hydronium ion or hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ion at equilibrium. Okay, students, instead of taking the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions in mole per dm cube, we will express it in terms of log. Okay, what is that log here? pH. We will note something called as pH. म्हणजे instead of expressing the concentrations in terms of mole per dm cube, we will express the concentrations in the form of log. In that the first concentration is pH. H capital लिहायचा, P small लिहायचा. pH is defined as negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay.